Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting update that's been a long time coming. Android Auto, the trusty companion for many drivers, is getting a fresh look with new media controls. But this story is more than just a simple UI change. It's a tale of Google's approach to updates, user experiences, and the ever-evolving world of in-car technology. So what's the big deal with these new media controls? Well, for starters, it's a significant visual upgrade. The Wavy progress bar is a bold departure from the traditional straight line, adding a touch of dynamism to your car's infotainment system. This design aligns with Google's Material 3 Expressive guidelines, which aim to make interfaces more engaging and intuitive. Personally, I think it's a welcome change, especially for those who spend a lot of time on the road. A little visual flair can go a long way in keeping things interesting. But here's the catch: the new layout might throw some users off, especially those with right-hand drive cars. The playback controls, now on the left, could disrupt years of muscle memory. Imagine reaching for the play/pause button and accidentally hitting the volume control instead. It's a classic example of how even small UI changes can have a big impact on user experience. In my opinion, Google should have considered this more carefully, as it may lead to some frustrating moments for drivers. Interestingly, this update seems to be rolling out independently of the Play Store. Google is pushing it through a server-side update, which means it's not tied to a specific app version. This approach has its pros and cons. On the one hand, it allows Google to quickly deliver updates to a wide range of users. But on the other hand, it can be a bit unpredictable, as users might not know when to expect changes. From my perspective, this strategy could be a double-edged sword, especially if the update causes any unexpected issues. Now, let's zoom out a bit. This media player redesign comes at a time when Google is addressing connectivity issues with Android Auto, particularly for Samsung and Pixel users. These problems have been a recurring headache for many, and it's great to see Google taking action. However, it raises a deeper question: why does Google often take so long to roll out Android Auto updates? The company announced the Gemini AI assistant for Android Auto back in 2025, but it's still not widely available. What many people don't realize is that this slow rollout strategy can dampen the excitement around new features. By the time they arrive, the initial buzz has often faded. In conclusion, this Android Auto update is a mixed bag. While the new media controls offer a visually appealing upgrade, the layout change may cause some initial confusion. Google's server-side update strategy adds an element of surprise, but it also introduces uncertainty. This situation highlights the challenges of updating in-car systems, where user experience is crucial and even small changes can have a big impact. So, what do you think about this update? Are you excited for the new look, or do you prefer the old, familiar layout? Let me know in the comments below.